Namaskar. Good morning, dear students. Today's date is 30th June 2020, day Tuesday. Today we are going to learn conjunctions, chapter number 20. In this chapter, we are going to know about and, but, because, for, so, it, that kind of conjunctions. Okay. What is the use of conjunctions? Do you know? Yes, we know because we are learning conjunctions from standard 2nd and now we are in 5th. So we all are familiar with the conjunctions. But this time we are going to clear each and every concept regarding the conjunctions. Means and, for, so. What is the exact place for them? And when do we use the particular conjunctions? This is what we are going to learn from this chapter. So conjunctions are the words that joins words, phrases or sentences together. Right. This we will learn today. Before starting, I just want to inform you about grammar textbook. While I was checking your notebooks, I saw that so many of you have written the workbook, means grammar exercises. These exercises in workbook means notebook also. So it is not important to write the each and every exercise of grammar textbook in notebooks grammar part. We made grammar part that time because at that point of time we were not having our grammar textbook, but now we are having our textbook of grammar, so we can write, means we can solve the exercises in textbook itself. There is no need to copy these exercises again in our notebooks grammar part. And I hope that all of you have ready, means with the complete exercises till today's chapter. Today you will get homework of completion of conjunctions exercises, right? But all the chapters we have learned till today, you have to be ready with the complete form of textbook. Alright, now let's see from my textbook how conjunctions help us to make our language effective and presentable. Alright, so open your textbook, page number 112. Number 20, conjunctions. Read these sentences. Anita likes cakes and chocolates. Is Amit's shirt blue or red? The dog barked, but it did not bite. The highlighted words are conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that join words, phrases or sentences together. Let's look at some common conjunctions and their uses. We use and to join two ideas. Example, the dog has long ears and a short tail. We use but to show contrast. Example, Lily is honest but she is not a smart girl. We use or to talk about choices. Example, I have never met my uncle or my aunt. We use because and for to talk about reasons. Examples, she has called me because she wants my advice. The children went inside for it started to rain. We use so to talk about results. I have been studying hard, so I think I will pass. We use it to talk about something unexpected. Example, I dropped the glass bowl, yet it did not break. So, this is the use. And when do we use these particular conjunctions? And is used to join two ideas. Okay, but is used to show contrast. Or is used to speak about the choices. Because and for is used about to explain the reason. And so is used to talk about the result. It is used to talk about something unexpected, right? So we often place a comma before or for, so and it. we often place a comma before for, so and a. Means whenever we use these three conjunctions in our sentences, we have to put a comma. We have to put a comma before adding the conjunction. See here in your textbook also. Alright, comma is here before these conjunctions for, so and it. Now let's see exercise 1. Underline the correct conjunctions. It was raining, so the game was cancelled. B. You must work hard or you will fail. C. Lily visited the dentist for she had toothache. D. The two brothers were intelligent but lazy people. E. We missed the beginning of the play because we arrived late. F. Grandma is old, yet she is very fit. D. Dad washed his car and polished it too. H. Which is quicker, the train or the bus? Okay, so here we are asking for choice, right? Now, the first halves of the sentences are given. Choose the second half for the options given below and complete the sentences. One has been done for you. I am allergic to cats, yet I have two of them. Right, now let's see. Second, should I get up or stay in the bed longer? For he was driving too fast, but younger than Sam, because she is always so kind, and unlocked the door. 8. I have two of them. This one is done. Now cross it. Then 8 rather cold, so I will help you make dinner. What is our sentence? Should I get up or stay in bed longer is the correct option. This one is done. Now next. See, I am older than Tom but younger than Sam. Second, D. It was sunny outside. 8 rather cold. Right, now E. I have finished my work, so I will help you make dinner. F. Anna took out the keys and unlocked the door. G. We missed the turn, for he was driving too fast. H. Students like Miss Lin because she is always so kind. Now let's see the next part. More conjunctions. Conjunction use example that. We use that to add more information. We are hoping that we will reach on time. That is used to add more information. When. We use when to talk about the time when something happens. I will call you when I reach. Until. We use until to talk about a particular time. We cannot leave until the driver is here. Although. We use although to express a contrast. I can't leave early although I want to. So that. We use so that to talk about a purpose. We left early so that we wouldn't be late. Unless and if. The words unless and if are also conjunctions. We use unless to talk about the only condition because of which something will not happen. Example, you will be late unless you leave early. If. We use if to talk about the only condition because of which something will happen. Example, you will reach on time if you leave early. Unless and if are similar in a way that they both are conditions for something to happen. However, unless is a negative condition. It says that what will happen if the condition is not met. If says what will happen if the condition is met. Okay, now let's see the next part. Fill in the blanks with until, unless, if or when. A. I like to have a snack when I get home from school. B. Mom will not switch on the TV until I finish my homework. C. We don't we won't get tickets to the concert unless we book them today. D. We cannot eat dinner until the rice is cooked. E. Dad does not listen to music when he drives. Question 4. Fill in the blanks with although, so that, or that. A. I carried a map so that I wouldn't get lost. B. I love chocolate although I know it is not good for me. C. They are hoping that their missing dog will come home. D. We painted the walls white so that the room looks brighter. E. Kathy had opened her umbrella although it wasn't raining. So 5. Look at the picture and write sentences using and, but, so, and because. One has been done for you. She baked a cake and decorated it too. She baked the cake but it did not taste good. We used but here. It was her birthday, so she baked a cake. So, she baked a cake because it was her mother's birthday. Now question 6. Look at the picture and write sentences using although, unless and so that. She wanted to finish the book although she was sleeping. Next, she does not finish a book unless it's interesting. She is reading the book so that she does well in her test. So, this is how we have done all of our work today. Okay, today we have learned what are the conjunctions, then and, but, or, because, for, so, it. Then we have learned about unless, if. Okay, then we learned about that, when, until, although and so that. I hope that this information will find you interesting. Now let's see. I will share one video regarding conjunctions. It will also help you to get more information about the conjunctions. And your today's homework is you have to complete exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at home. Then our grammar book will be complete with exercises also. Thank you.